let's build a hanging basket together. Assemble your ingredients. I filled my hanging basket with some pro-mix soil or any good rich potting soil. You fill it right to the top because the soil tends to settle. I've gone with my theme. I'm going with purples, greens, and whites. I've got this beautiful petunia, and this one is sparkle blue. If you want to take a look, it has a gorgeous speckled center. I like to plant my centers first. This lovely petunia is going to cascade out. I gently tease apart the roots. I'm settling my petunia in. I'm planting my hanging basket quite full. I'm going to plant some of my trailers. This is a purple flowering bacopa. It says blue, but it's picking up purple quite nicely. I tuck it into the side. I'm going to alternate the bacopa with my ground ivy, my variegated ground ivy. This is a great trailer. It'll probably even reach the ground. If you have a greenhouse and you can heat it, you can start earlier with smaller plants, but I don't have a greenhouse. I'm just gonna start this on my deck. So I'm planting it heavy. You're gonna notice that I'm not evenly spacing. When I hang this, I have a front side and a back side. So that's how I'm planting for me. If your hanging basket is hanging in the center of your patio, you're gonna evenly space all your guys. So think about what side you're gonna be looking at the most. I'm also probably overplanting like I usually do, but I'm tucking in some heliotrope. It has a beautiful fragrance to it. So I always like plants that have some fragrance. So I'm tucking these in, and these are just gonna cascade along the back. Just very carefully digging it in. Gonna make a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. And I'm sticking in my final little heliotrope at the back. This planter is going to be fragrant, and it's going to be purples, greens, and whites. Soft and dark purples. If you need any more soil, you can just tuck the soil in, but I think I've got lots in here, so give it a little jiggle. Once you've watered, you can fertilize with a liquid fertilizer. I like to use liquid fertilizer once a week, or you can use a diluted version every second watering. There's also granular slow release fertilizer if that's what you prefer. And then hang it on your deck. Keep it covered and a little bit sheltered until nighttime temperatures get to be above 10 degrees Celsius, and then it's ready to go for sun. There are lots of planters available, from these cute little burlap and coconut fiber ones to the wrought iron to the lighter plastic ones. If you don't have any spot to hang your hanging basket on, we have these shepherd's hooks, which are my favorite because I like to hang my hanging baskets quite low because I love to look at what I have in the top of them. We also have brackets available and S-hooks right over here. Brackets you can actually screw into the wall. We have S-hooks. If you have a hook that is quite high, you can actually drop your hanging basket low with this so that you can enjoy it. So we've got lots of plants to choose from. Our selection is always changing. We're getting deliveries every week. So come and take a look and find something that appeals to you. Thanks for watching.